Under a merciless sun, a desolate landscape stretches endlessly, the cracked earth a testament to despair. Khalid, a young boy of 10, trudges wearily across the barren land, his small frame silhouetted against the harsh horizon. An empty water skin hangs limply in his hand, a symbol of lost hope and desperate thirst. He reaches a dilapidated well, its crumbling wooden frame a cruel reminder of what once was. Disappointment clouds Khalid's young face, the whistling wind mirroring the ache in his heart. Khalid returns to the ancient well, his eyes widening in astonishment at the sight before him. A small date palm sapling has sprouted beside the well, a vibrant green against the arid landscape. His grandfather approaches, his serene smile a beacon of wisdom in the stark desert sunlight. "Khalid, this tree is a gift," grandfather says softly, his voice carrying the weight of generations. "Water it, nurture it, and it will provide for us all," he instructs, his gaze fixed on the fragile sapling. Years later, the oasis thrives. The date palm stands tall, its shade a blessing, its fruit a bounty. Fresh water spills from the well, quenching the thirst of the village, a symbol of life renewed. Khalid, now a young man, smiles as villagers gather, children's laughter filling the air with joy. The air is filled with gratitude as they collect dates and water, their hearts overflowing with thanks. Khalid seeks his grandfather's gaze, a silent question passing between them, a shared understanding. The example of those who spend their wealth in the way of Allah is like a seed, narration says.